guys, Strings Away here. Welcome to my how to crochet video series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an increase. Basically I've already started. I've got my magic ring and 6 stitches here. If you don't know how to do that, go watch my previous video. Alright, so we're going to start with our hook in that loop. Basically what an increase is, it's just 2 single crochets coming from the same origin point, or they share the same base. So what we're going to do, this is the next stitch that I'm going to work out of. I'm going to do an increase in here. If you remember how to do a single crochet, you just shove that hook underneath both loops. So I call it a little V. Each stitch I say it has a V. We're going to put our hook underneath both sticks of that V. I often have to use my nail to kind of get it through. Alright, so we have it underneath both. To do a single crochet, you grab the yarn, pull it through both. We have 2 hoops on our hook, and then yarn through. There, we've done 1 single crochet. To do an increase, we're going to go back into that exact space that we just worked in and do that again. So we're not going to move on to the next one. We're going to work at the same, underneath the same stitch that we did before. So it can get a little tight, that's okay. Stick your hook through, grab the yarn. We've got 2 hoops on our hook and pull it through. All right, so we've done our first increase. If you look really closely, you can even see it. So we can see that there's 1 hole here and then 2 single crochets that come out of it. So they both share the same base, but there's 2 of the V's on top. So that's our first increase. I'm just going to increase all the way around here. So we're going to move on to our next one. If you're confused or just starting out, cover the next stitch over with your thumb. So the next one we're working with is this V. We're going to leave that exposed, but we can cover the rest so that we can't work out of it. And we're going to do 2 single crochets under this V. So stick it through both, pull that yarn through. That's 1. And that's 2. So we did another increase there. Alright, we'll move along. Here's the next space that we're working out of. I'm going to block the rest of this so that I can't even get at it. We'll do 2 single crochets through there. Okay, next one. All right. I don't always use stitch markers. What I do instead is just count the stitches. So if I started with a base of 6 and I'm doing an increase in all of them, that's going to make me end with 12 stitches, right? So if I'm not sure where I am, I just count how many I've done so far, and then that'll tell me how many more I need to do. So right now I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I actually just need to do 1 more increase to get it to 12. There we go. And now we're done the second row of our work. Alright, so that to go over how to do an increase. Alright, I hope that video was helpful for you. If you want to keep learning how to crochet, stay tuned. I've got lots more coming. Bye, take care. Hey, if you want to try out some of my free amigurumi patterns, head to stringsaway.ca. Check out my other YouTube channel, Kisskers. I do a lot of vlogging, mostly about food and traveling. Ciao for now.